of the issues in East Africa, dictating the government.
Giki nikio gikaro kiria kirarehete hamwe onjoria na nyitite mithogori-ini ya ngari guku bururi-ini niguo kwaririria mogaruruku maria mendekithitio wonjoria-ini uyu. Umwe wamo ari kunyihia miaka iria ngari iria irarehwo guku bururi-ini ciagiriire gukorwo ihuthikite. No mucemanio uyu ndunathie haraya thutha wa ikundi kwiyuga maritwa guku gikundi gia Kenya Auto Bazaar gigituthura ngui na kuga ni marakungirio wara thutha wa kumenya ati maretagwo gwikira kirore mogaruruku maya no ti kuheana mawoni.
We were supposed to come and legalize that document today.
And we have said no for legalization of
no legalization.
We're
rejecting that document in total.
From China.
We are not. E-document, hakuna document kama hiyo. Tusikizeni. We voted for you people, represent us.
Mendekithia-ini maya thirikari irenda ngari ciothe cia injini ya hinya wa 1,500 cirehagwo bururi-ini cihuthikite kwa ihinda ria miaka 5. Ihinda-ini riri githimi giki kirugameire miaka 8 gugikinyia mwaka wa 2021 miaka ino irerikana guthie thi o nginyagia 3.
The document states very clearly that all motor vehicles that are coming to Kenya from July 1, 1506 and below will go for 8 years. Anything above that is 5 years. To be phased out by 2024, all of them. Then in the process, they are saying they are going to encourage importation of newer vehicles. Importation, not assembling of newer vehicles. Importation of newer vehicles. Why double standards?
Muoroto uyu ni hamwe na kimwe gia ituge inya cia ukuria nikio gukuria uthunduri na iganda kuria thirikari irenda ngari ituragirwo guku bururi-ini niguo kuhe mbeu njithi mieke ya mawira.
We are not opposed about the Big Four agenda. We support the president 100%. But the people who are surrounding the president.
Never. We were not.
He was supposed to be that.
Yes.
He was supposed to be there, but they said they cannot sit down with a trader.
I'm not a trader. I'm a Kenyan.
Yeah.
And I'm also trained pilot, trained and nautical engineer. So, and I've visited so many factories in that area, in Europe, even in Japan. I've been to Mercedes company, manufacturing Mercedes-Benz. I know what goes on in manufacturing. But they come here with their skin and cheat us and say, we can manufacture a vehicle here.
Thutha wa njukaniriro kwa ihinda mucemanio uyu uratharara guku abithaya makiuga mathie kugia na giikaro na minister wa iganda Peter Munya. Ngiribotera Inooro TV.